Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, snap camera. Your GPU is not supported, it either doesn't support OpenGL 4.1. Copy links from description and paste it into browser search bar. Click download icon. Open and extract downloaded file. Simply copy the downloaded DLL file. Open C drive. Open program files. Open Snap INC folder. Open Snap Camera folder. Simply paste already copied the DLL file. Restart computer. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.